Tactical pants should be practical for missions and comfortable if you want to wear them in a hot climate. The best tactical pants for hot weather should be breathable, lightweight, and functional. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 tactical pants for hot weather on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. La Police Gear Tactical Pants. La Police Gear, LAPG, is an outstanding brand for summer tactical pants with its lightweight polyester blend fabric and high-strength thick zipper. These LAPG tactical pants are rugged yet breathable to be worn on a hot summer day. These pants got an elastic waistband, so they still fit even when I got a little potbelly. The pockets are strategically made to fit items securely. I specifically love the side cargo pockets because they're big enough to fit my huge hands and iPad mini. The IC zippers stand out the most for me because they're smooth and sturdy. The more I used the zippers, the more they felt smoother. Best of all, the zippers don't corrode for long-term use. I think the stitching is quite solid because I see no strays after many washes. The knees and rear areas are reinforced, so these pants can endure rugged use outdoors. More importantly, there's a drawstring tie at each pant leg's end to keep insects or any crawling animals away. Number 2. Tru-Spec Men's 24/7 Series Original Tactical Pants. This pair of Tru-Spec tactical pants are a blend of polyester and cotton fabrics for breathability. With their engineered dimensional fit, these pants are ideal for both military and casual work purposes. I find it very convenient that these pants remain in good condition after multiple washes. There's no ironing needed, and I hardly notice any wrinkle or fading at all. Surprisingly, the fit doesn't loosen up after a long day. The waistline has a bit of elasticity, which I like because my weight fluctuates sometimes. In addition, the belt loops are sufficiently wide to suit nearly any belt size and rugged to resist tears. The fabric also repels water, making the design more efficient. I love the fact that there are plenty of pockets with spill-mitigating flaps. The hand pockets are deep enough to keep things secure while doing the rigorous activity. I especially admire the expandable back pockets because they're roomy to store many items. Number 3. Proper Men's Lightweight Tactical Pants. These proper tactical pants are made of 65% polyester and 35% cotton with a Teflon coating. These breathable tactical pants are lightweight, so they feel comfortable even when you wear them in hot weather. I love the numerous pockets designed on these pants because it means more storage to keep my essentials. My favorites are the special pockets designed for cell phones, spare rifle magazines, and wallets. The back pockets aren't as low as the 5.11, so they're more comfortable to use. The quality of materials and finish is quite superb. I see no crooked seams or any loose threads that might degrade the durability of the pants over time. The cotton ripstop is lightweight yet marvelously strong. Also, other parts, like the knees and hand pockets, are reinforced to provide extra durability. I think the sizing is quite accurate because I got a size similar to what I normally get for jeans. The design is less baggy, but not too tight to constrict my movement. I do appreciate the empty space on the sides of the waistband because it lets me carry items without obstructing the front pockets. Number 4. Free Soldier Men's Outdoor Cargo Hiking Pants. Free Soldier uses more spandex on these outdoor cargo hiking pants. This means more elasticity to move around freely without worrying about wrinkles and deformation. The main part is made of nylon, which has superior strength to stand up to any outdoor activity. Thanks to the DuPont Teflon coating, the fabric is resistant enough to water and stains to keep it clean. I especially love the UPF 50+ sun protection because it helps shield my skin from UV damage. Surprisingly, these pants provide comfort in any weather. The pants keep me cool during the summer and stay warm when I climb freezing mountains. True enough, these pants are waterproof because I got drenched in the rain, but not my pants. I appreciate the free nylon belt because it fits nicely on my waistline. Also, the spandex material feels soft to wear, so it feels like wearing a pair of comfortable pajama pants outdoors. In addition, the IC zippered pockets are helpful in keeping my wallets and keys secured. Number 5. 5.11 Tactical Men's Active Work Pants. This pair of 5.11 is another excellent breathable work pants for hot weather with its 100% cotton construction. These cotton pants are good for hot summer days because they can quickly absorb sweat and draw heat away from the skin. There are around 7 pockets to give ample room for essential tools in the right places. I especially like the front pocket because it fits my full-size 1911 pistol. Also, the tiny utility pouch on the front leg comes in handy in keeping a multi-tool safe. Surprisingly, the cotton fabric is sturdy to use for different purposes, from military to casual wear. I like the fact that the knees and seat areas are reinforced to make these pants resilient outdoors. For the size I ordered, the length is pretty accurate. My other favorite is the hip-mounted D-ring because it's useful for hanging keys. Since these pants are made of pure cotton, they're very breathable. The sewing seems nicely made because there were no loose threads after having been washed many times. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.